How to set up TP-Link Deco M5 Whole Home Mesh Wi-Fi System. The Deco M5 Mesh Wi-Fi system provides fast, powerful Wi-Fi coverage for large homes up to 5,500 square feet. Follow the steps to set up your Deco M5 Whole Home Mesh Wi-Fi system. Step 1. Scan the QR code below or go to Google Play or the Apple App Store to download the Deco app. Install the app on your Android or iOS smartphone or tablet. Step 2. Open Deco app. Log in or sign up to create a TP-Link ID. Then tap Let's Begin. Step 3. Select your Deco model. Step 4. Unpack the contents of the box. Once you have verified all its contents are present, move on to the next step. Step 5. Power off your modem and remove the backup battery if it has one. Step 6. Connect one of your Deco units to your modem using an Ethernet cable and power on both devices. Step 7. Wait for the internet light on your modem to indicate a stable connection status. Step 8. Enable Bluetooth on your phone and wait until the Deco's LED pulses blue. Step 9. Your smartphone will attempt to find and connect to the Deco. Step 10. Assign your connected Deco to a room. The location will also be used as this Deco's name. Step 11. Select your internet connection type and fill in VLAN ID if required by your ISP. If required, this information should be provided by your ISP. Step 12. Create your Wi-Fi network name and password. Step 13. Connect your phone or tablet to the Deco's Wi-Fi network. Congratulations! Setup is complete. You can now connect all your devices to the Deco Mesh Wi-Fi network. Thanks for watching.